Hello guys, today I am going to tell some interesting facts about birds. Okay, now let's start. Do you know which type of birds can fly backward? Okay, think the answer here. Your time starts now. Did you find the answer? Are you curious to know the answer? If you found the answer before I reveal it, then give the answer in comment now. The answer is hummingbird. The only bird that can fly backwards. When we observe the flight patterns of these birds, we can notice that they fly forwards, sideways, and backwards while also being capable of changing its in-flight direction. Here you can see the video of a beautiful hummingbird flying backward and drinking the nectar from plants.